Many consumers wrongly assume that an air conditioner is able to control humidity. However, this is a huge misconception since air conditioners do not have components that can sense humidity. On the other hand, a dehumidifier is a specialized device which can continuously sense and extract all excess moisture in atmosphere, thus making the atmosphere just right for you. Also, a dehumidifier is extremely energy efficient and consumes as little as 1/10 the energy of a comparable air conditioner in a similar sized room.